Hey there, I'm back again with another videos, and today we'll try to solve one of the commonly asked programming questions. If anyone has Java 8 experience and on Java 8, if anyone is aware about Java 8 Streams API, then people do ask question on Stream API. So one of the question typically asked is find the average of odd or even number from the given list of odd and even numbers. Okay. So if in the given list we can see there are odd and even numbers. If we need to just find the average of odd number, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 in this list, which is equal to 9 divided by 3, because the output should be 3. And if we need to find the average of even number, that will be 2 plus 4 plus 6. So there are three numbers of even, so it is equal to 12 divided by 3, so average will be 4. Okay, so let's try to solve this using Java 8 streams. Okay, first of all, let's create a list of integer lst and int, I will say, and arrays dot as list, so that I don't need to, I can use it directly. Okay, now we have the list here, and average can be in floating values or double values as well, so that's why I will use double avz lst int dot stream. That's how you call the stream, and then you do the filter and then the collect. So there are three steps involved. So I'll do the filter first. So what do we want to filter? To find the average of odd number. Okay, so odd number is any number which if divided by 2, if it is equal, the remainder is 1, then that is called the odd value, odd number. Okay, then I will collect it. Now if I need to collect, not only collect, but I need to find the average of it. Okay, so I'll use collectors dot averaging int. This is one of the method which is available in collectors. Yes, and I'll call it here. Now I'll just try to print it. System dot out dot println average avg. Okay, so you can see, I'll find, let's try to execute this first. We'll see if it has any problems. You see the average of odd value is 3, and if we need to find the average of even values, so I'll just need to change in filter, and average will remain same. So let's see if its value is, you can see the average is 4. Okay, so that's how we can find the average of odd or even from the given list. Okay, I hope this clears the understanding of stream APIs of Java. Okay, and here for collectors, it is not found in util directly, it is found in the stream. That's why I have used collectors uh, here, and it is in Java to util or stream. And for list and for arrays, I have imported java.util. Okay, so thanks so much for watching today's video. And if you have any question related to Java 8 streams, do write us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.